Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use walking directions in Google Maps step by step. Google Maps can help you find the best walking route to your destination, so let's get started. First, open your web browser. Next, go to the Google Maps website. In the search box, type the place you want to go. Then, press Enter. Next, click the Directions button. In the first box, enter your starting location. In the second box, enter your destination if it's not already selected. Now, look at the transportation options at the top. Click the walking icon, which looks like a person walking. Google Maps will display the best walking route. You will see the estimated walking time and total distance. Follow the blue route shown on the map. If there are multiple walking routes available, click on a different route to view its details. You can also zoom in or out to see more of the route. And that's it. You've successfully used walking directions in Google Maps. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Maps tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.